Hey, what's up guys? This is another pretty much vlogging my day, but I just stay in bed all day, so this will go interesting. Thursday, October 15th, 2020, day in the life, work from home, and YouTube. The balancing act. But I am going to vlog my day for you guys today. I guess I've been getting a lot of people asking me how I time manage doing YouTube and also just my normal work. So it's 8. I slept in this morning. Or Graham and I slept in this morning. He just got in the shower, but I am going to start editing. So my laptop is right there and I'm gonna pull that out. I start work at 9, so I'm gonna edit for an hour and then start work. I might respond to a few comments too. Let's see. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. So I'm almost finished editing my next video. It's like 9:30 right now. I started work at 9 and I'm going through emails and responding and doing all that. I just realized I gotta blurb out my shirt too because it has a bad word on it. It's Graham's merch. What do you have to say about that, Graham?
Oh. Okay.
Those naughty words.
I don't look good right now.
I don't either, but I still haven't even gotten out of bed at this point. I literally grabbed my laptop and went back over here. I haven't washed my face, nothing. So you guys are getting me in the natural, all natural. But anyways, we are going to be continuing to work until I probably take a 10-minute break. So yeah, I also know I'm going to get some comments on this. These are blue light glasses. I don't actually need glasses, but I keep getting headaches from being on my computer all day because pretty much I spend 8 hours a day on my computer here and then probably 2 to 3 hours a day on my laptop. And just at the end of the day, I end up with a really bad migraine, and I've been finding these have been helping a little bit. I usually turn on the night mode on my computers, but it doesn't seem like it does it quite enough. I keep the light really low, all that. I think it's a little bit too much for me, no matter what the setting is. So I'm hoping this in combination with that is going to help. It's been helping so far because I've had it for a few days, but also they're kind of cute, so no complaints from me here. So now we're in the chunk of the day where Ramsey sits on his cat treat. You can see right here he threw a tantrum until I opened it for him. So that's super fun, but he likes to just sit there and hang out with me. I guess I read somewhere it's like TV for cats. So you can see he's really enjoying himself here and he's absolutely adorable. So we love it. But there he does that until I open it for him. Little butthole. Alright guys, time for the point in the day where I am going to go on a slight break and wash my face, get dressed, and then maybe make myself a chai tea or something. I don't know. We're gonna do that really quick. So today I'm actually gonna get dressed up since I am doing a vlog and wear leggings instead of sweatpants. But no outfit is complete without Ramsey. And let's go wash my face. And done. So I have been working now for a while. I made myself avocado toast. Ooh, I got a reminder of a meeting. Anyways, I made myself avocado toast and French rolls for breakfast, so that's pretty good. I also have been eating blueberries, and yeah, that's just what's been going on with me. So yeah, not much to report. I'm just working from bed. I got little spooty roonies. I think I'm showing him. I don't know, I have front camera on, so I'm not really sure. But yeah. And why are you holding on to it? Can I have my pants back?
Oh, I have won. I have the pants, so I can clean my back. I have won. I need the pajama pants to properly clean myself.
Seriously? You did a dummy. Alright, so I just clocked out for my lunch break, which that means I can take these off. I don't need these anymore. I'm just going to go up to the dining room and, eat lunch, enjoy my time, and Graham's playing drums. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. And, oh, shoot. That's right. Editing. Okay, so my lunch is just ending, but Graham and I just finished reviewing my video. I'm super excited about it. It's something so much different than anything I've done. Also, Ramsey's doing a If I Fit, I Sits, so I'm gonna film that. Anyways, getting back to work, so I guess I will see you when something interesting happens. I just got off of work. If I seem a little bit stressed out, yeah, so I'm in charge of quite a few big projects, which is super cool that they're trusting me with like very big important projects, but it's also really stressful, and I didn't finish them up till the end of the day. And then I had emails from like 3 o'clock, it's 6:12 by the way, from 3 o'clock on that I hadn't seen, and I hadn't been watching my normal inbox because I was working on these projects. So I wanted to catch up so I wouldn't be overwhelmed. I'm not getting enough content out, and I feel stressed out by that all the time because I'm not having enough time to do that, which is definitely my passion. And then there's different sponsorship things and different things I've had to coordinate, so I just end up feeling really stressed. I mean, I feel stressed by it, but I feel like that's what a thing to be stressed out by. I'm stressed out because I have too much opportunity right now. Literally, like, I am so blessed that this is what I am stressed out about right now. And then also just the whole moving thing and all that is stressing me out. But that's another thing. I mean, these are like exciting things. But yeah, I've been definitely working on that. It feels really good that I have my next video done, and just I'm excited to start brainstorming on videos tomorrow and to start pulling the questions I want to do for my next video, which is going to be us going up to Vegas. Also, I took off all of my gel polish and I'm about to do my nails again. So this is going to be my little de-stress, but they're getting super long now, so I probably need to shave them down a little bit, but Graham likes them because they're good head scratchies. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that for a little bit and kind of allow myself to de-stress a little bit. But yeah, so that's how life's going. I also haven't seen Ramsey in a while, but yeah, so pretty much my day has been work, but now a little bit of play. Okay, wow, this is going fast. So that's a bonder coat, and then there's a base coat, and then you do the color coat. So you can see here I am doing one nail orange and the rest are purple. So I'm going to do 3 coats of that. So that's that final coat. And then I put on the top coat and then put that in. And then you use nail polish remover, which I'm going to do in a second. And then your nails are done. There we go, and done. All right, guys, and then kind of an update since I haven't vlogged for a little bit. We've been working on the plants. A lot of them had to be moved to this room because now that it's starting to get dark earlier and it hasn't been as bright, some of the plants aren't doing as well. Like these 2 aren't doing as well because they haven't been getting enough sunlight. And then my little spider plant hasn't been doing as well. So just all the plants are now migrating to this room. And then I also just potted that spider plant I had outside and stuff. So actually it's coming along pretty well. But do I have a plant obsession? I don't know. I don't know. Also, I'm getting more plants probably Saturday morning. So yeah.
Go.
All right. Hi, guys. So I haven't updated you since the plants because it's getting towards the end of the day, and that means I forget that I'm vlogging. So right now we are going to dinner with Danny Duncan. I'm not going to film it because I don't know him and I've never met him before. So I get really uncomfortable and feel really awkward asking people to be in vlogs. So yeah, so I'll see you guys after, but I'm not asking. I'm too awkward. I'm sorry, guys.
You excited to meet Danny Duncan?
Intrigued maybe, but not excited. I'm not sure how well our personalities will mesh. I didn't really get a good first impression of him when he FaceTimed you the other night. So we'll see. This is gonna be interesting. Also, I tend to have a very dark and sarcastic sense of humor, and also just kind of stupid humor too. So I don't know really how well that's gonna mix with very crude humor, because I like to think that my sense of humor is a little bit more sophisticated. I just joke about bad things that have happened to me. So it'll be interesting. I guess you could say this is the perfect family shot.
It is. Thanks, Ramsey, for joining us today.
He's gonna let us know if everything is possum.
He will. Cool.
He's for real.
I know. I've said so many of these.
I'm trying to post this today and I realized I forgot to finish and give this context. So Graham and I got back from dinner and Ramsey usually comes to the door to greet us, but he did not, so this is where we found him. Sorry, our bed's a mess, but you didn't say hi. Ramsey. Say hi to me. Ramsey. You went... Oh, shoot, that's cute. Okay, never mind, you're forgiven. Oh, good boy. Thank you. As the vlogs usually go, I forgot to film an outro, so we're doing that now. So thank you for watching my day in the life video. If you want to see more day in the life vlogs, which they happen every once in a while, subscribe down below to see that. There's also a whole plethora of other non-vlog related videos if you want to see that down below. There's a whole bunch. Just click on my channel and you'll find them. If you have any suggestions for upcoming videos, let me know down below. I pretty much read every comment, so let me know. And yeah, don't forget to end the video in the middle.